Ever feel like life is on expert mode and nobody gave you the instructions? You spill your coffee, miss the bus, and your inbox is full of per my last email drama. But what if you could hit the reset button and actually enjoy the journey? I'm not promising a problem-free life because that doesn't exist. You have way more control than you think. I'll show you the sneaky ways we make life harder and the simple hacks to turn things around. Get ready to ditch the overwhelm and step into your power. Let's do this. Let's talk about the ultimate life hack decluttering, not just your sock drawer, your mind too. Overthinking, endless to-do lists, waiting for perfect conditions? That's like waiting for a unicorn Uber. Most successful people started messy, they just began. Silence your inner critic and start, even if it's not perfect. The universe rewards action. You'll figure it out along the way. Our phones are basically glued to our hands. We wake up, scroll, get anxious, and suddenly it's midnight. Time to break up with your phone, at least for the first hour of your day. Use that time to wake up, stretch, or make a killer breakfast. You'll be shocked at how much more focused and calm you feel. Plus, you'll have real stories to share with friends, not just likes. Try it and see the difference. I'm not saying run a marathon unless you want to, but moving your body resets your system. A dance party, a brisk walk, or that Zumba class, just get moving. Your mind and body will thank you. Endorphins are real, and they work wonders. Some people just drain your energy. Complainers, gossipers, the whole lot. Set boundaries. Mute toxic group chats. Excuse yourself from draining conversations, and say no to plans that don't excite you. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. You deserve it. People pleasers, listen up. Master the art of saying no. Every yes to something you don't want is a no to something better. Try, I appreciate you thinking of me, but I can't commit right now. The more you practice, the easier it gets, and the more energy you'll have for what matters. Motivation isn't magic, it follows action. Don't wait for inspiration. Take a small step, even 5 minutes. Momentum builds fast. Consistency is key. Create a schedule and watch yourself transform. Fear pretends to protect you, but really it keeps you stuck. On the other side of fear is everything you want. Next time you're scared, say, I'm excited. Your brain believes it. Don't let fear hold you back. Happiness isn't a destination, it's a daily practice. Find joy in small things, celebrate your wins, and focus on the good. Start a gratitude journal, dance, treat yourself, or just appreciate the moment. These small joys add up and transform your outlook. Gratitude is the Swiss Army knife of life hacks. Practicing it rewires your brain to focus on the good. Each night write down 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. This simple habit shifts your energy and helps you wake up positive. Pause for a sec. How are you feeling? If you're still here, you're ready to step into your power. Take it further. What's one thing you'll change this week to make life easier? Share it in the comments below. Let's support and inspire each other. Life will always have challenges, but you don't have to make it harder. Pick one tip from today and apply it this week. Small shifts, big results. You've got this. Believe in yourself. Now go out there and stop living life on hard mode. Let's go!